Hey everyone, welcome to my channel if you're new, or welcome back if you're not. So for today I just have a very quick look for you, basically an eye and lip tutorial because I had the face done but I did run through the products that I used. But then we created kind of this red, slightly smoky eye with a pop of blue on the lash lines and did a matching lip. So if you'd like to see what I did to create this look, then just keep watching. Okay, so for today I'm going to be using the Life's a Drag palette again because I've been really enjoying using it. And I'm going to start with the shade Sickening and pop that as my transition shade. That's going above my crease. And I want to do a darker lid kind of smoky eye today. Oh, and the brush I'm using is the Blank Canvas E20. And I got a request on the video I did about my personal brush collection to review my blank canvas brushes, which I do want to do, but I feel like if I'm going to do a dedicated review, I want a few more brushes to try because I have some eye brushes and I have like one big powder brush and one highlighting brush. I don't have any like foundation or concealer brushes, so I think I'm going to pick up some more to try out before I do that. Oh, and I'm also bringing this under the eye as well, if you didn't notice. So I just filmed a video about different brow styles and products. So if you'd like to check that out, I'll pop that up in the card up here. But this was the last brow that I did, so I just did it on both sides to start off today's look. And then I'm going to take a little bit of Hunty just to deepen up that crease area a little bit before I start going in with Trade, which is the dark colour that I want to use. So that's just going into my crease. And then I'm going to dip into Trade and start popping that right in the crease line. And then just while we're blending here, if you're wondering what products I have on my face, I'm wearing the MAC Studio Sculpt foundation, which I don't normally wear. I'm not sure how I feel about it. That's the foundation I'm wearing with the Kat Von D Lock Concealer. And I set that with my Rimmel Stay Matte, the one I use all the time. And then on my cheeks I have Inglot's 502 Sculpting Powder and the blush is 127. And the highlight that I have on is from MUA Makeup Academy. It's their Shimmer Highlight Powder in the shade Radiant Cashmere. So those are all the products I have on my face, and if you'd like to see me do my brows, again, that's in the brow video. So next I'm switching to a flat shader brush. This is the eye shader from Royal & Langnickel. It is the LG BE04 and I'm picking up Trade on that and I'm going to pack that onto my lid. And I'm really tapping that off because normally I start with my eyes, but today I have my foundation done, so I don't want any fallout. And that's why I'm tilting back and looking down to my mirror as well. And then switching back to my blending brush and a little bit of that Trade colour to help it fade and blend into the crease. It's not as dark as it looks in the pan when it's all over, but it's a nice colour. Then I'm going to switch to a Real Techniques shading brush and pop Trade on my lower lash line. I'm just using my blending brush to help blend that, smoke it out. And then just for something different, I'm going to go in with Urban Decay's LSD 24/7 pencil and line my top lash line with that. And I'm trying to decide what I want to do with that. I think I'll pop it in the waterline. And bring it down into the lower lash line. And then I'm going to take a Morphe E36 brush and just help smudge that out underneath. I'm going to apply my Inglot 14N lashes. So I've applied some mascara. I'm just going to pop this lash on. Okay, so those are the eyes. I used those lashes because I wanted something with a good bit of length that would add some drama to the look, but something that was sparse enough that you could see through it and kind of see that blue on the lash line as well. But now that I'm looking at it, I think it's a little bit top heavy, so I'm just going to take some more of my Trade on the Real Techniques shading brush and blend that down a little bit. Just have a little bit more going on underneath as well. Then for the lip, I'm going to go in with Kat Von D's Lolita liner. And then I'm using a NYX Liquid Suede in the shade Soft Spoken. So it's kind of tying in with that mauvey burgundy colour on the eye. And then the blue actually ties in with my dress. So that is it for this quick little look, basically just an eye and lip tutorial because I had everything else on already. I think it was a nice little quick eye look using the Life's a Drag palette, just with a little pop of colour using a liner. And this is one of my favourite lip colours, so I like that it kind of ties in with it. So I hope you like it too, and if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And of course you can subscribe to my YouTube channel for free if you'd like to. So that's it from me for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.